Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. The question is a few days left for cat and I'm getting stressed. What can I do in order to move my mind off cat? Or what can I do that could help me in terms of trying to reduce my stress as far as cat is concerned? So, what I would recommend is one thing that you can do, one of the things that you can do is make a plan for what will you do after cat. Now, for most of them, CAT is not the last exam. Okay, you have a lot of other exams coming up. So you have IFT coming 1 week later. You have SNAP coming in December. You have SAT coming in January first week. TIS is there. MICA is there. MICAT. You have GMAT. Some people also do write GMAT in the month of December or maybe Jan because GMAT scores are they were considered by some of the colleges which are there. Indian colleges, in right from exam Bhubaneswar to TAP Manipal. I mean, even MDI and SPGN do consider it, but I think MDI's date is over and SPGN we already filled a form. But yes, these are some of the exams that you can write. We do conduct courses for this, so I am aware about these courses, aware of this exam. For each of these exams, there is a little difference in kind of preparation required. For example, if I'm focusing on that, I would have to prepare for decision making a little bit more and maybe a little bit more on verbal critical reasoning, etc. Similarly, if I'm looking at IFT, I will have to look at focus on more data driven DI sets. So each of these examination has a separate flavor to itself and you will have to prepare a little bit extra for these exam. So one good way to spend your time right now is to plan for this exam. See how are you going to prepare for this examination. What are the sources where you can prepare from? Can you make a daily plan after a CAT as to how are you going to spend your time for the IFT exam, for the SNAP exam, for the GMAT exam, for the ZAT exam? See what is required. Go through the syllabus. I mean, that will help you to slightly move off CAT 1. It will help you to see that you also have a backup option apart from CAT. CAT is not the end of the world. Should hopefully help you to reduce the pressure on CAT. And that hopefully will help you to some extent. Apart from that, there are other things. I mean, you can listen to music that you enjoy, maybe watch movies that you enjoy. All that other things are possible, definitely. But one thing that may be productive is planning for the exam that comes up because it gives you a good backup option. And because it gives you a good backup option, your mind is slightly at rest as far as the exam is concerned. So do make a plan for the other exams during this last week so that you don't waste your time after CAT and you know what exactly to do once the CAT is over. Hope that helps. Thank you.